get to talking like, alright. I told niggas you just gotta pay attention. I make this shit like real vivid for a nigga. You know, this shit be hard, like balancing and juggling all this shit, you hear me?
Fresh off a drill, fully focused, with 600 up on my neck. KD my mans, he earned my respect, bitch know about all my hats. My last beat, that Drake was bouncing, clapping like a jumping jack. He can't duck these, this ain't a black news, could die, how I'm supposed to react? The fuck you mean, shots to relax? Fuck you mean we don't get back? These niggas ain't never fun, no war. I spend $1 million on gloves and masks. Fuck out my face, grab bed rate, load ass Drake, this shit all bad. And I ain't never paid for a hit, but I sent bread when some got smashed. Chopper gang wear all black, got status, you get a great flag. Nigga took what from who and KOD. That shit fell out my pants. I picked up my money, rolled down the ski mask, shot my glizzy until it jammed. Bitch, I ain't never went for a pickpocket, buck robbery, or a scam. Nigga out of town, I act like a rap nigga. Long my city know who I am. We made some rap the pole front the halfway house. We did it all on cam. Controlling the backseat by myself. Keep shedding tears, long little girl. Losing my sleep, trying to up the stove, cause you can't get no rest in hell. On the new page in life, you to get pages through the legal mail. I'm fresh as fuck on house arrest, trying to get the feds up on my trail. Run up your M&M's, make it hard for niggas that wanna get you killed. He bucked my word while I was locked, that's why the twins pistol whip. When you put money on the head, that's just like blackballing a nigga. He was gangster, now he Bruce, turned the suspect to a victim. In the streets, could never miss him. Now you just see him on picture. You seen the car, why you ain't make a left? Goddamn, you hurt a nigga, man. Come on, little brother, like we smart, like you seen, like, come on now. Damn, you hurt her with that old man, you crushed my soul. Still putting on for you though, can't nobody drive me no more. None of these niggas didn't love you, little bro, like your mama love you, little bro. I hate I can't hug you, little bro, still dishing out slugs for you though. I'm going against blood for you, bro, this shit finna get ugly, bro. Still clutching one of your poles, still sitting by the window. I'm still around strike on them folks, I'm still watching everything they post. I'm still head first on the low, I'ma make niggas honor your soul. Money still calling, hello, that Drake still go to all my shows. Still a real deal slime, my blood gon' be green if I bust my nose. Still remain certified, 37 Mafia, we still more. Brr, brr, big brr, pussy, motherfucking pussy, bitch.
Coming up.